Hello, thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a 2009 Forest River Sandpiper 303BH. This is a bigger trailer, weighs just under 8,500 pounds. Here on the front you got two LP tanks, power tongue jack, storage compartment that goes all the way through. It has two lights in there. There's a big slide on this side that has the sofa and dinette on it. Nice alloy wheels. City water, fresh water connection, outside shower. It does have a spare tire and a ladder to get on the roof. This slide back here is to the bunk room. It's an outside refrigerator. Large power awning. Two outside speakers here for the radio. So look inside. Front you have the bedroom, lots of cabinet space. Two little spotlights here on each end. That doesn't lift up, but there's cabinets underneath it. A television here that's at a nice angle so you can see it from the dinette or the sofa. It's a CD and a DVD player combo. Lots of space inside. Large refrigerator. Got some coat racks there. Oven with a 3-burner gas grill top. Microwave. Big double sink. See lots of cabinet space up here and along here. Got a sofa that has a bed folded up in it. More cabinets on top. Dinette table will drop down into a bed with storage under each side. And here there's this big hutch you got here. Come back into here, it's the bunk room. Plenty of storage in here too, a little desk. The sliding door to close it off. This bathroom sink, lots of storage. And here's the bathroom. Skylight and fantastic fan. Again, everybody, this is a 2009 Forest River Sandpiper 303BH. This trailer weighs just a little under 8,500 pounds. It's Paul Sherry RVs, Piqua, Ohio. Come check us out.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from, and how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.